What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Chainlink and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well, and it's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. In any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, there's been a fairly nice correction for Chainlink in the past day or so, as we can see here. Obviously, the FUD in the market surrounding Bitcoin and Elon Musk has given us quite a tasty correction, as we can see here. But it seems as though Chainlink as a whole has actually been performing fairly well, and it hasn't actually dumped down as much as other cryptocurrencies that we've been reviewing, such as VeChain and XRP today, have been down fairly well, and their structure is looking not as bullish as Chainlink's is currently. XRP and VeChain do look as though they're forming bull flags, but as we can see, Chainlink is actually trending upwards in a nice channel that we've outlined basically since the start of the year here. This is the hourly chart. As we can see, Chainlink has performed very well. It's ran from around $11 here all the way up to $52 as its high, which is almost a 4x, I believe. Or is this a 5x? It's a 5x, isn't it? Yeah, which is around a 5x, which is pretty good price action for 4 months time. Obviously there's been other cryptocurrencies which have outperformed it, and we do think that Chainlink is horrendously undervalued considering the utility that it provides. When you think their wider network most likely is valued in the hundreds of billions of dollars right now, and Chainlink is probably only $40–50 billion if we can remember correctly for the market cap, it seems very likely to us that Chainlink is undervalued. And recently we have actually been seeing price action starting to reflect this somewhat. We can see that Chainlink actually came up, broke out of this channel that we highlighted, flipped it into support here, as we can see, and then did run to the upside again. But obviously this market-wide correction has took us back down inside the channel. But we're not complaining considering how well that Chainlink is currently trending upwards. And we could surmise that we could be seeing price action in the region of something like this, considering the bull run is starting to progress nicely now. And as we said, Chainlink is horribly undervalued considering what it offers the entire cryptocurrency space. There's so many projects that need it to literally work, such as synthetics and most derivatives, stable coins. There's all kinds of utility. Basically, the entirety of the DeFi market is based largely on Chainlink's technology as well, because they have to track underlying assets and real world stock markets, etc. So there really is so much utility that Chainlink is providing, and it does seem horribly undervalued. It's performing very well in the face of this correction. As we can see here, this was the correction a few weeks ago, and we are probably seeing, it does seem to be for most cryptos, another double bottom here. And if that's the case, we could easily see Chainlink bouncing off this good level of structure here where it seems to have found support, and then moving back up to retest this all-time high in the next month or so, and then heading up again. We do think Chainlink should be in the hundreds of dollars by now, considering how horribly undervalued it is. Its fundamentals are incredible, and just because it's not as perhaps glamorous or super interesting as other projects out there, they have got a huge network of partnerships now, well over 400, maybe even 500 projects that are integrated with it. Their wider network is so large now, and if you consider Metcalfe's law, which is basically saying that the value of a network is the amount of participants squared, then it's easy to imagine that Chainlink is horribly undervalued considering how much that is providing. Just taking a look at the technicals, you can clearly see that things are still looking bullish for Chainlink. We've drawn in this very strong trend line here, which has 5 or 6 points of contact, maybe even 7 if you consider this wick here as well. So it does seem likely that Chainlink is slowly trending to the upside, and we wouldn't be surprised to see Chainlink coming back up and hitting this all-time high again and heading to $60, $70 or even $80 in the next month. This is a crypto which is so undervalued, and as more fundamental and bullish news comes out, it doesn't seem unlikely to us that it's going to start heading up and taking some of the value that it strongly deserves, in our opinion. We do see Chainlink heading to $100 to $200 in the next few months. And then beyond that, once the parabola hits, we do maintain that we do think that Chainlink, our price target for Chainlink is around 800 to 1K per token. Obviously right now this seems fairly ridiculous because that's around a 10 or 20x from the current price even, but it seems likely to us that Chainlink is very undervalued and it's getting overlooked currently. But with altcoin season just around the corner now, Bitcoin dominance continues to fall, ETH dominance continues to rise. It seems very likely to us that Chainlink is one of the cryptos out there that is best positioned to basically capture a huge amount of the market cap that will be flowing down into altcoins. So when you combine this with, you know, the Chainlink Grayscale Trust Fund and all kinds of other funds that are including Chainlink now, there's so much to be bullish about this cryptocurrency, and the technicals are definitely reflecting that. So short-term price target of around $60, $70, $80, and we do see Chainlink hitting $100 to $200 in the next few months. And then beyond that, we do think Chainlink has the potential to hit $800 to 1K, $800 to 1K by the end of the run, because it's so horrendously undervalued right now for what it's giving the cryptocurrency market. And we do strongly believe that it's going to start to capture some market share to reflect that as the bull run progresses. So that's our update for Chainlink today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below. Or you can sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, not to mention a 100x portfolio we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that. And they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please just hit the like button now. Currently only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button as well. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links and for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.